Good morning and welcome to in this video daily use when question in English. 7 daily use when question with Nepali meaning. So let's move on the next sentence. नमस्कार भेरी एकाडेमीको नयाँ भिडियोमा तपाईलाई स्वागत छ। आज हामी दैनिक जीवनमा प्रयोग हुने 7 अंग्रेजीका वाइन प्रश्न र उत्तर सिक्ने छौं। भिडियो एकदम मजाको छ, पुरै हेर्नु होला, अन्तिमसम्म हेर्नु होला। सिकेको कुराहरु तल चाहिँ कमेन्टमा लेख्नु होला। आउनुहोस् सुरु गरौं। When can you come? When can you come? तपाई कहिले आउन सक्नुहुन्छ? तपाई कहिले आउन सक्नुहुन्छ? I can come in the afternoon. I can come in the afternoon. म दिउँसो आउन सक्छु। When are you paying me? When are you paying me? तपाई मलाई कहिले तिर्नुहुन्छ? I am paying you soon. I am paying you soon. म तपाईलाई छिट्टै तिर्दै छु। यदि तपाईले च्यानल अहिलेसम्म सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु भएको छैन भनेदेखि नयाँ भिडियोको लागि च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु होला। Please subscribe this channel for more new videos. आउनुहोस् सुरु गरौं। When did he die? When did he die? वहाँ कहिले बित्नु भयो? He died 6 months ago. He died 6 months ago. He died 6 months ago. वहाँ 6 महिना अघि बित्नु भयो। When did you see them? When did you see them? तपाईले उहाँहरुलाई कहिले देख्नु भयो? I saw them on a party. I saw them on a party. मैले उहाँहरुलाई एउटा पार्टीमा देखेको हुँ। Since when has your sister been learning English? Since when has your sister been learning English? तपाईकी बहिनी कहिलेदेखि अंग्रेजी सिक्दै छिन् त? Since when has your sister been learning English? She has been learning English for 1 year. She has been learning English for 1 year. उनीले 1 वर्षदेखि लगातार अंग्रेजी सिक्दै छिन्। Please like this video and comment below your answer, question, query, whatever else. When did he arrive? When did he arrive? वहाँ कहिले आइपुग्नु भयो? He arrived last morning. He arrived last morning. वहाँ हिजो बिहान आइपुग्नु भयो। Please subscribe this channel for more new videos. यो च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु होला नयाँ भिडियोको लागि। फेरि अर्को भिडियोमा भेट गरौँला। See you again. Bye and take care.